Check out my melody.
Hi, my name is Sharath and I'm here to take you through the new Nokia X. That's the new device that we're launching today in India. So we're calling Nokia X as the best of Nokia and best of Android apps. Let me start with what's unique on this phone before I talk about the Android app story. Okay, what's unique here is this is the new Nokia X, which comes with the Nokia build quality and great design. So this is the great design. We call it as minimalistic design. The buttons that you that you see here, whether it's the volume controls or the lock button, they're all very minimalistic in design. There is only one soft key here. It comes in 6 vibrant colors. The one you see here is green. It also comes with red, yellow, blue, black and white. It's a 4-inch screen. It comes with a 1 GHz dual-core processor. It supports 3G, Wi-Fi, and comes with a 1500 milliamp battery. You can save content to the level of about close to 4 GB on the device and about 32 GB expandable. So that's the first Nokia differentiation, the whole design and what this device offers to you. The second is about user interface. We've made this very uniquely and refreshing rich UI, the user interface on the Nokia X. When I glance at the device, what you can see here is that it has a lot of notifications. I don't need to wake up the device to see all my notifications, whether it's the missed calls, the messages, the apps that I use, or the mobile or the timing that I have. Most of the time consumers consume a lot of battery by checking whether there are any missed calls or messages. So this feature allows you to save a lot of battery. Okay, that's a Nokia promise on this. When you press the unlock button, it takes you to the lock screen. Okay, lock screen has a lot of notifications here. As you can see, I've missed a lot of messages, notifications, there is WhatsApp, etc, etc. Let's say there is a lot of spam that I received on my phone. Okay, so I want to just kill one notification. All I'll have to do is to take it to my left, okay, and swipe to my left, and that particular notification gets killed. If there is a notification which is really important for me, for example, this WhatsApp group seems to have about 3 conversations happening parallelly, which is important for me. All I'll have to do is to just pick up that single notification and swipe to my right. It takes me directly into the WhatsApp group. Okay, so that's the whole notification screen experience. From the lock screen, if you swipe either to the left or to the right in either direction, it takes you to the menu screen. So this is the overall menu screen. Any number of apps that you download all sits into one single screen. This is the menu screen. A tile-like UI, very refreshing, multiple colors, completely suits to the needs that you wanted. The beauty and the thing that I like the most in this particular UI is that it is customizable. For example, if I'm somebody who's a heavy imaging user, my tiles can be rejigged into multiple places. So I've picked up the gallery, I can change this to wherever I want, I can place them back to the place that I wanted. If there's something important, take it all the way up. If there's something not important, bring it down. The other unique thing about customization is that I can enlarge the tile. Okay, any tile which is important for me, I can enlarge it. If I enlarge the gallery tile, I can start to see a lot of pictures that are doing the round inside this. Okay, great new UI. Any long press also gives you 2 particular options. Option number 1 is to create folders. Option number 2 is to create widgets. Okay, let me see what I've created on my phone. I've created 3 folders here. This is called the apps folder, a play folder and a chat folder. If I go to apps folder, I've put all the third-party app launchers onto one single folder. Okay, similarly if I go to a game folder, which I call as a play folder, I have downloaded a few apps here. Whether it's everything that's preloaded or everything that you download, you can put it directly onto the play folder. Okay, so similarly I've created a few widgets. The widget that you can see here is an email widget, so all my email syncs in directly here. I don't need to sync my email. The last thing that seems to be coming is about 11 o'clock. I can open the email, I can watch it directly, read it directly from here. Okay, a long press will continue to keep the app running at the background. So I did a long press right now. The app will continue to work at the background. The moment I go to the email client again, it opens exactly the same email that I last left. Okay, a short press will take you back to the previous activity. A long press will keep the activity and the app running at the background. That's the refreshing UI that we have on the home screen. From the home screen, if you go to the right or you come to the left, it takes you to something called Fastlane. Fastlane is a signature Nokia experience. We offer this to our consumers. It's a log of your last 50 activities. For example, in the last 2 minutes, let's say you've chatted with your friends on WhatsApp, you did a BBM chat, you played a few games, you got messages, you got calls. They all placed exactly in the same order of your choice. The beauty of Fastlane is that you can start to access them directly from the Fastlane. You don't need to go through each of these activities. So there is a missed call here, I can type message. It also gives me options whether I want to respond to the message through the regular messaging or WhatsApp, or if I continue to download a lot of other chatting application, it gives me that option as well. Okay, I go to the notification, it takes me directly onto the notification. So Fastlane helps you manage, not just track everything at one place, it also helps you manage everything directly. Reply to your messages, call people, post onto your Facebook directly from to here, and relaunch the games and start the music again directly from where you last left. So everything onto Fastlane. There are a lot of consumers who wanted to control Fastlane better. They don't want their friends and parents to see what is there on Fastlane. We have that option available. All you'll have to do is to long press any activity. It gives you options to delete individual entries or go to settings. And within settings, there is an option in managing apps where you can decide which are the particular notifications that you don't want to be seen on Fastlane. For example, I don't want my SMSs or my specific apps not to come onto Fastlane. I can remove them and they're never going to come onto Fastlane again. So that's the second signature Nokia experience. The first is design, the second is the whole UI that Nokia brings in. The third different thing that we are offering to our Nokia X consumers is the signature Nokia and Microsoft experiences. The first of that is called Mix Radio. Mix Radio is a streaming application that's available. Currently there is, it's there on my Fastlane. So for example, I need to play the song again. This is a song from the latest A.R. Rahman blockbuster, Highway, and that song continues to play because this device supports multitasking. So this is called the Mix Radio. Mix Radio offers you streaming songs and it's free for lifetime. So this app is available onto your phone. You can continue to stream multiple applications. You can create mixes of your own, of your favorite stars, etc., etc. And what you can do is also that you can create an offline mix here. You can create offline mixes here. So you can create up to about 4 albums, which you can create offline even when you don't have a network or Wi-Fi connection or a 3G or 2G connection. You can continue to listen to your favorite songs here. So that's the first signature Nokia experience, which is called Mix Radio. Let me reduce the volume so that we can continue with the demo. The second signature Nokia experience is called Here Maps. Here Maps comes preloaded onto the device, Here Maps and Here Drive. Okay, you can see here on the device. Here Maps offer you 3D maps, so you can see the current location that I am in. I'm recording from the Taj Vivanta on MG Road, Bangalore. Okay, I can see the location here. If I zoom in, it takes me down. It gives me a 3D view of multiple things that are currently there. So this is the building next to the Taj Vivanta Hotel here. Okay, so I can see the whole building zoomed in a 3D dimension. Here Maps also comes with Here Drive, which is a navigation turn-by-turn navigation available across multiple locations. We also offer offline mapping, which means that even if you don't have an internet connectivity, this works, the navigation works on this device. So that's Here Maps, which is the second signature Nokia experience, available for all the Nokia X consumers. The third thing is called the integrated search. So the one that you see on the top here is a search key. This is an integrated search. If you type anything on the search key here, it first checks if there is that particular app or that particular contact or message available on the phone. It throws up all the results what is available on the phone. So for example, currently if I type customer, it throws up that I have a customer care number on my phone. If there is something not available, it goes outside and searches via Bing search. So let me just demo you about a name called Nandan. Okay, so currently the phone book vanished because I don't have anybody called Nandan on my phone book. It takes me to Bing search and it throws up results on what's currently trending on Nandan Nilekani. Okay, so it's integrated search, integrated Bing search. Firstly, searches everything that's there on the phone, and secondly goes outside the phone and searches online through the Bing search. The last one is OneDrive. This device supports Outlook.com and OneDrive and many other Microsoft experiences. So this OneDrive app is available at the Nokia store for you to download. The beauty of OneDrive is it gives you 10 GB of free storage for all the Nokia X consumers. If I click any pictures, if I want to just post them, so these are certain pictures that I've taken. So let's say this picture I want to just send it on OneDrive, it directly goes and uploads on OneDrive. Okay, I have about 10 GB, which means I can save close to about 10,000 pictures from the phone directly onto this. So OneDrive available freely for the Nokia X consumers. So that's the third differentiation. The whole design and colors is first, the UI is the second, and third is about the Nokia and Microsoft experiences. Now the thing that you always wanted to know is about access to Android apps. The Nokia X supports most of the Android apps. The first destination to access Android apps is the Nokia store. So this is how you can get all the apps. All the big apps or the marquee apps are merchandised in the store. You can see Viber here, you can see ClearTrip, you can see some of the other global trending apps, whether it's Twitter, Fruit Ninja or BBM. You can see a lot of Indian apps, whether it's Your Movies, whether it's Sony Live, etc. All merchandised here. There is operator billing available, which means you can buy the apps, you can buy a paid app, or you can do an in-app purchase directly from the Nokia store. This is a unique feature available on the Nokia store. You don't need your credit card to buy a particular app. So for example, this is an app called PicArt, and on this app you have a paid top-up that you can buy. It gives me an option to buy through my Airtel SIM. So this is a very unique feature available only on the Nokia store. If I click buy here, it helps me buy the paid app directly from here. In case if you don't have an app available on the Nokia, okay, the moment I launch them, it directly takes me to the third-party app store. So I can access the world of Android apps directly from here, download them, save them on my micro SD card, and help my device run faster. So that's long and short of what Nokia X is all about. It's the best of Nokia, it's the best of Android apps coming to you through a signature Nokia experience called Fastlane, and hence we call Nokia X as your Fastlane to the Android apps.